Okay. Hey y'all, so I have decided to name this series Callie's Kitchen. And so tonight I decided to make one of mine and Matthew's favorite fast food and like comforts from home. Tonight I'm making fried chicken sandwiches like Chick-fil-A. We go pretty often and it's one of the only things that Georgia has and Arizona has. So it was kind of like our saving grace when we moved out here and we didn't know any of the food. So I start with, I'm doing this enough for 2 nights. So I start with, you pull your chicken out the day before and then you put it in, I don't know whether it's called a milk and egg wash or a milk and egg bath, but I put enough milk in it to cover everything, and then I put 1 egg and I whisk it together. And then my go-to spices are oregano, pepper, paprika, and a little bit of salt. And then my secret, my fried chicken, and Matthew can attest to this, is I don't use flour or cornmeal or anything like that. I use Bisquick. So what we have to do is we have to take the chicken out of the milk and egg wash. Then we have to dredge it in the Bisquick. And then I decided to go cast iron tonight. So I'm going to fry them. And then I'll start working on the rest. But for now, this is what I'm going to do. And I will show you the result in a little bit. Alright, y'all. So right now I'm just dredging the chicken in the Bisquick. I just put nothing in the Bisquick other than pepper. I almost need a bigger container because this is almost too small, too like narrow of a spot. And then I just let it sit for a minute before I put it into the oil. And then so after I fry it, I'm going to put it in the oven for just a minute, and it makes sure it gets the excess off, and then it just makes it even crispier, I feel. So, we'll be right back. You ready? Alright. There we go. And then I'll just let it get brown. Make sure the internal temp is good, and then I'll show you what's next. Alright guys, let's see how it looks. That looks pretty perfect to me. I just noticed I took 2 breasts and I cut them in half, but I've never made chicken sandwiches before. And I was just talking to Matthew, I think I should have used the meat pounder and flatten them out. But these are probably the thicker sides of the breast, so the next 2 may not be so big. But who doesn't like a big fried chicken sandwich? No one. Everyone loves them. Wait, did I say that backwards? Anyways, everyone likes chicken. So it's not quite there, but it's getting there. And that's part of the reason why I do put it in the oven, is because it will finish cooking while getting extra crispy. Alright, so this is what I was telling you about after you frying it, you put it on a cookie sheet on a, I don't know what this is called, like a slotted rack. And you just put it on there, and then you'll stick it in the oven for the remainder of the time. This one's almost done. It was just a little big. And then I've got Matthew's broccoli getting ready to steam. I got us some really, looks really good. I don't know what kind of bread this is. Brioche buns. And then I have some steak fries in the oven. So I'm going to keep at it, and then I will be right back with you guys. Alright, so our chicken is in the oven, our fries are getting done, and I'm going to start on those yummy buns. Pretty excited about it. Alright, so I am toasting the buns. The fries have come out. Let's see. Fries have come out. Matthew's broccoli is almost done. And the chicken is almost ready to come out of the oven. And then I'll start, oh my gosh, the pantry door is left open. Sorry. Alright, so chicken is out of the oven. That looks delicious. Broccoli is done. There's a Noxie. Wanna say hey? I'm just browning the buns right now, and then we should be ready to eat soon. I haven't really spent much time with him since he's been home, so he's a little grumpy. But I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Hey, what are you doing? Alright guys, this is the final product. Looks so yummy.
Let me see it. Alright, hold on guys. Hit the button.
Alright, Matthew.
Alright, so I've told Callie that when she does her kitchen cooking that I will rate everything 1 to 10. By the way, thanks for joining our Cooking with Callie video. Or excuse me, Callie's Kitchen. So, I'm not going to be nice if it doesn't taste good. That's how we are at restaurants. I'm going to do an honest 1 to 10 rating and then give a really short opinion. So, visually, it looks just like Chick-fil-A. You can tell it's like store-bought chicken because it looks like real chicken. It doesn't look like processed chicken as much as Chick-fil-A does. The bun definitely feels a little nicer than Chick-fil-A's. So I'm doing like a direct comparison, okay? Okay, I'm sorry guys, I have to have a little Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A to get it like a real... Hold on. Alright, how am I rating?
Alright, 1 to 10.
A 9.
Ooh.
An 8.
An 8.
Yeah, an 8, because you said woo like that. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to give you a big head for future videos. It's not Chick-fil-A. Same flavor profiles, but the seasoning doesn't taste anything like Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Which you'll see, because you're gonna do this next.
Well, I wasn't. Yeah. Okay.
I know you're not shooting exactly for Chick-fil-A. It's just it's a step up from Chick-fil-A.
Boom, baby.
So, it's kind of hard to compare. So let me see the camera and let you get a bite of yours and tell me what you think.
I haven't even. Hey, Noxie. Don't. No, sir.
Okay, so.
Only pickles on the bun. Mmm.
It's pretty good.
The bun is better.
The bun is better. Like marginally better.
Yeah. I would give myself probably an 8. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
For a fried chicken sandwich.
So guys, we're going to go eat. I'm not going to be present on a lot of these videos except for the end. This is Brass Tacks Matthew here with Callie. Thanks for subscribing, like, and comment. And thanks for joining us for Callie's Kitchen.
Thank you. Stay tuned.
Bye-bye.
Bye.